Alright, my peeps, I'm going to continue cleaning the rest of the tools, the hand tools. I'm not going to record the process. I'm just going to do like the before and the after. Yeah, I still got to go through all my tools. These are the first set, the ones we did yesterday. Yeah, I could go through them again, but they look good. Probably will. So yeah, my peeps, I'm gonna clean these, all of my tools, then reorganize them. Alright, my peeps, so this is the rest of the tools, the hand tools that are in my bag. So I'm just gonna go through them. These are Klein, Ideal. This is non-brand. Those are cheapy ones. Alright. Alright, my peeps, so I cleaned up the tools, the handles, remove the rust, lubricate them, and put the coating to protect them. They won't get rusty, well, that easily. Yeah. A lot of elbow grease, but it's all good. Quick little workout. But yeah, I just cleaned the handles real good, removed the rust as much as I could. This thing kicks ass. This thing right here. I gotta go over this one again because it's not that yellow, it's not that new looking, it's still dirty. But yeah, but they're all nice and lubricated, nice and loose, easy, how they're supposed to be. This one still needs some work, it's supposed to fall, but it's still loose, but it's not too loose. It's supposed to fall with gravity. And I'm just gonna go through the stuff right here. And I'm gonna clean the bag because the bag is dirty and it has some moldu, and yeah, it looks pretty disgusting. So I'm actually gonna clean this bad boy, make it look brand new. Yeah, so honestly, ever since I bought my tools, started buying my tools in 2012. Yeah, 2012. I've never cleaned my tools, man. Just fucking used them up. But I saw a couple of YouTube videos, so that's what, like, you know something? I'm gonna take care of my bad boys, my girls. But yeah, all right, my peeps. So this is the third section of my tools. This was the second one. The first one's in the bag. So I'm gonna put this away, and I'm gonna clean whatever else is in here, lay it out, and then just clean the backpack. Yep. All right, my peeps. So I'll record right now. Yeah, really filthy, really dirty. See this? That's moldy right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna clean my bag real good. It's pretty much empty. Alright. Kinda clean it up real quick. But alright, so this is the last of what's inside in my bag. Tool backpack. So I got 2 boxes of fuses, combination square, my tag with my name, ear protection, dust mask, stud finder, my little Greenlee, uh, tap and drill, LED lights for the safety glasses, roto splitter for AC and MC cable, different tapes, Scott 33, Scott 23, to identify in your circuits or your cables, glass light, LED, plumb bob, utility knife. Well, it's electrician Hawkeye knife. Connectors to extend leads on motors, and tape measure, level, cable ripper. Forgot what this is called. Blades, utility knife, pencil, cheap meter, free meter from still works, from Harbor Freights. Fuse puller, and your, forgot what this thing is called. Yeah, so that's what I had, and then these extensions. Yeah, pretty much went through everything, right? And yeah, so that's the last of the stuff that was inside my bag. So I'm gonna clean this up and then clean my backpack and then reorganize everything. But yeah, so this is before and after. Cool, right? Yeah. And yeah, your knee pads, gotta protect your knees. Alright, my peeps. Alright, my peeps, they have me on hold. I'm calling Klein's Tools. I asked if it's washing machine friendly, if I could throw it in the washing machine. So hopefully he says yes. If not, I'm gonna have to do it by hand. Yeah, it's pretty bad. To be nice and new.
Thank you for all this. I appreciate your patience. So yeah, I did verify. It's not washing machine friendly. It just wipe it down. Not the machine.
You're breaking up pretty bad. What was that again? I'm sorry.
I was stating it's not washer machine friendly. So yeah, you do want to find some other form or fashion of actually wiping it down, but do not put it in the washing machine.
Okay, okay. Because the thing is, it's not just dirt that got inside, but due to the moisture and the dampness, it actually has mildew. Yeah, so that's the reason why I want to clean it thoroughly.
Yeah, I wouldn't suggest putting it in the washing machine at all.
Okay, but it's not washing machine. Okay, so it will have to be
Correct.
manually, like with a scrub it by hand.
Correct. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Was there anything else I can assist with?
No, that was it. That was my only question.
All right, no problem. You have a nice one, sir.
You too. Thank you. Well, it's not washer machine friendly, so I'm gonna have to scrub this bad boy down. All right. It is what it is. All right, my peeps. You heard the man.